Oh.
Oh, it's miraculous metal.
Who's gonna light the candles? Here, we have to somebody here. Pop will light the candles. You can't light your own candles.
So you a couple matches in there, Pop.
I have more if you need them.
Yeah. How come Daddy only has 4 candles?
40. We have to say it's like 40.
40.
I have to say like 4.
400.
Remember, Papa, kids break out.
No, I don't have that much light.
Well, just as long as he has one candle lit, that's all you need. There's Lukey's big 40th birthday.
Here we go.
I'm going out.
You ready?
It's like going out.
Okay, we're going to sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Yay!
Do you
40
need
years
help?
old.
40.
He can't do it, he needs help.
Oh, he needs help. Oh, help him, Steph. That's it.
Good job, Steph.
Yay.
And still, 2 stories that remain a mystery.
Look at that.
What?
I
Unsolved.
think Daddy would like that cake.
I'm gonna cut it
This
open.
thing's rewinding.